The area of a rectangle, the formula is the same as the area of a square. The area is base times height. In this question, the area then would be 22 root 18 times 9 root 12. Well, when I multiply those, I'll take 22 times 9, which is 198. To make this square root easier to work with, I can take 18 and 12 and look for common factors. And I notice that 18 and 12 are both divisible by 6. So I'll rewrite 18 as 3 times 6 and 12 as 2 times 6. See, those two 6's together are going to make a perfect square. 6 squared, which is 36. So this is 198. I have 3 times 2 in there, times 36, or 6 squared. The square root of 36 is 6, so that thing's going to go out front as a 6. And 6 times 198 is 1,188. Left underneath that square root, I still have a 3 and a 2, so root 6 then is what I have. 1,188 root 6. Just to point out, if you get in trouble with your square roots, if you took 18 times 12, that would have been the square root of 216. And remember that you can go to the table. If you go to Mr. Caldwell's classroom and you click on the resources link and find the Google Sheet factor table, and you enter 216 as the number, you will eventually then figure out that 216 divided by 36, it would have been 6 times 36, which would have made it 6 radical 6. And then I would have taken 6 times 198 and still got 1,188 root 6. So this is my answer.